How to fix a flat tire on a road. Few steps on how to fix a flat tire on a road. When you're on the road and your tire gets flat, few steps on how to fix a flat tire on a road. Step 1, park safely. Park your car on a flat area away from the traffic. Okay. Number 2, find the problem. Check the tire carefully. If it has a crack, a screw, a nail, or some damage on it. Number 3, loosen the nut. Use a long wrench to slightly loosen the wheel nut before lifting the car. Number 4, lift the car up. You see, place a jack on a jacking point and lift the car up to the point that the flat tire is not touching the ground. Okay. Then number 5, remove the flat tire. Yes, here you use your long wrench to slack the wheel nut completely and remove the flat tire. Okay. Number 6 is say replace or repair. Replace the tire or repair the flat tire. If you check the flat tire, maybe it has a nail or something, you can fix it and put it back. But if it spoils totally, you can replace it with a new tire. Okay. Number 7 says that check the tire pressure correctly. Use your tire pressure gauge to check the tire pressure correctly if it has a recommended PSI on it. Alright guys, thank you and follow me for more.